I'm really excited about today's recipe. I have been making this recipe on repeat in our house, and it's just a go-to, meal prep friendly, packed with protein and fiber and antioxidants. You are gonna love this recipe. I guess the reason I love it so much is it's so easy and you can make it ahead of time and eat on it for several days. So today we're gonna make this high protein, green packed bowl. Ta-da! It's just absolutely delicious. So let me tell you a little bit about it before we dive into the recipe itself. You can do any protein you want. In this video, I'm doing chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can also do any veggies that you want. Today, I am doing fiber-rich cabbage and Brussels sprout combo. You can cook this any way that you want. So today I am using the Blackstone. You can use your stovetop, you can use your oven, or you can use your grill. This is what I love about this recipe. Make it your own, use what you have, but watch this video so you can get the components of the recipe. We wanna make sure that it has healthy fat. We wanna make sure that it has lean protein. And we wanna make sure that it has fiber. But I love recipes that you can make ahead of time. And this one is perfect. Let's dive in. I'm gonna cut the ends off the Brussels sprouts, cut them in half, and put them in a food chopper. It's gonna make the process so much faster. So I'm just gonna pulse it until they're really shredded and put them in a bowl. Now I'm gonna shred some cabbage and I'm gonna add it to the bowl with the Brussels sprouts because we're gonna cook those together. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to chop the cauliflower and basically make cauliflower rice. I'm gonna add this to my quinoa. Number one, it's gonna give it more bulk. Number two, it's gonna give us more nutrients, especially fiber. Right now, I'm dicing a cucumber to top the bowl with, and now we're gonna place our boneless, skinless chicken thighs in a bowl, lightly spray them with oil, and then sprinkle them with my everyday shaker seasoning, which is salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Now we're gonna give the veggies a good toss in a little bit of oil, and again, we're gonna add the same seasoning. So if you notice, keep it simple. Same seasoning for the veggies, same seasoning for the chicken, but they're in separate bowls, of course. Now we're gonna make the quinoa just like you would make any quinoa. Just follow the package instructions. We're gonna go ahead and set that quinoa aside while we cook our veggies and our chicken. I am using a Blackstone. You can use whatever you want. You can use your oven if you want to, or your stovetop. But Blackstone or a grill is easy because you can do them at the same time. Of course, the veggies are going to cook pretty quick, probably about 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken thighs were pretty good size, so I did 4 minutes on the first side and about 3 to 4 minutes on the second side. Remove the veggies once you get them how you like them. Finish cooking the chicken. So easy. I love these bowl meals where you basically toss everything in a bowl once it's cooked. Right before the quinoa is done cooking, when there's a little bit of water left, add your cauliflower rice. Let it cook together with the quinoa so it will heat it up. Give your chicken a good chop, bite-sized pieces, of course. And now we're going to make a tahini dressing. We're going to use tahini, lemon, garlic, your oil of choice, and a little pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and a good mix. Now to assemble our bowls, put in your cooked veggies, put in your chicken, put in your quinoa and cauliflower at the bottom. Add your herbs of choice. I am doing cilantro today. Fresh avocado never hurts anything with that extra healthy fat. Drizzle it with your tahini dressing and swoon.